Wear a head-to-toe monochrome look in order to create the illusion of height. Throw on a long line jacket in order to break the monotony. Pull your skirt up above your waist to elongate the bottom half of your body. Wear vertical striped pants to give the illusion of longer legs. If they are high-waisted, even better. Cinch your waist with a thin belt to create a 40/60 body ratio. Pull the dress up a little high so that it ends above the knees. Wear pointed heels to make your legs look longer. And that's it. Tell us which one of these style tips you loved the most. Until next time, bye!